Yo, what up? What is up? Hold on a sec. Lens is a little fucked up. Who's out here? Chase. Just 1 second. Let me just make sure I'm logged into everything. Shit's like kind of like not moving. I don't know. It's being very cucky. Who's trading who's trading NQU? And are you guys still on NQM? Because TradingView updated the price, like TradingView's price is reflecting the new contract. So I was wondering. I was trading NQU. Anyway, who's out here? Chase, Dips and Peaks, Coach Singh, JK, Tick Daddy, TTA, Rick, Benny. Yeah, the parade. No fucking way. Yeah, TTA. It's kind of untradeable right now. Let me turn my screen on. Hold on. Hold up. I didn't turn my screen on yet. But yeah, sorry, I'm a little distracted. Who else is out here? Tick Daddy, P Shenanigan, Cube. What up, man? Fuck yeah, waited my whole life for that shit. John Q. That's right, it is the best fucking code ever. Best price action. Holy Earth, GB, Roro, Canute, Cyberpie, Benjamin, Rick. Who else? Trading Stock. Crank, you guys are trading you. Got it. Hotshot, what up? Just 1 sec. I got to make sure nobody lets the dog out. The dog's out, so Lance Haven's going to be here. 1 sec. I don't know. My wife's not home. The dogs are barking. I don't fucking know. Anyway. AS, what up? V33. TJP. All right, so this is all I did today. This was the builder account. I just needed one more like $800 day to get a payout, and I hit the daily loss limit on Friday. I fucked everything up on Friday, really. But I got 564 of it back, so I basically got a little bit more than half of the daily loss limit. Maybe more? Yeah, a little bit more. And what's funny is, like, I had an order. Like, look at this order. It's fucking hilarious. I had an order. Well, my first order, the first trade I was in, I was up like $500. Didn't realize it. I wasn't paying attention. And then when I looked back, I was like, oh, fuck. I was up $500. And then it could have been really bad. I actually almost blew it. And then I got out of the trade up like $30. I was like, holy fuck. And then like I had another one. And then like shortly after that, my take profit got hit, of course, on that, what would have been the take profit on that first trade. And then I had this other order. I had an order at 835.75, right? To go long. Right here. This was it right here. I miss getting filled by 2 fucking ticks and it bounces 50 points. And then 5 candles later, after I canceled it, it comes back and hits it and then bounces even more. Not that I needed all of that, but still, it would have been a good trade. So that's it. I traded that, and then I traded my trade day, this eval that is passed. I'm on today's day 5. So this is trade day eval is officially passed. And that's that. Kobe, Benjamin, you blew 3 lucids over 4K profit. Oh my God. Oh man, I know your pain, bro. I know your fucking pain. I know your pain. Brandy Allen, Jose Carlos, Jack Boom, Benjamin. Yeah, bro. I mean, when you're going through it, you're going through it, man. I know the feeling. You saw the shit I did last week. You saw what I did on Friday. How many times did you see me fuck myself out of payouts or accounts that are really fucking good? Yeah, price is kind of stuck right now. Price is kind of stuck. I would like to, grow these accounts or pass them today. That'd be cool. Or am I just gonna stay with the curse of, I get them halfway up and then I can't get the second half because I fucking do dumb shit? Because that's been the theme with Lucid. But I don't know. So let's see. I mean, how many points was that? 65? It's only 12 points. Let me draw a happy little fib. Does it want the VWAP? Do you think? Hold on. Let me, all right. Now I know. Now we got, you see that? The fucking VWAP was lower. Now I got a better idea of what the fuck this might want to do. Now, if I draw a fucking happy little Fibonacci, let me get rid of all of these, actually. Fuck. Let's get one. I mean, yeah, we've gone sideways for fucking 3 hours. We're in like this. I mean, it's a decent sized range, but we've basically gone sideways. There's the high. I think this is a good spot for a low. I guess maybe this. This makes the most sense. Does it come down that much? I don't know. I don't know. So we're just sitting here waiting for something. I mean, literally nothing's happening. I mean, I want to trade obviously, but if I don't trade anymore and I finish the day. I also got my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I do have those now. I just don't know if I want to fuck with them right now. Probably not a good time. I wish I would have activated them and just went long with like a few micros and just rode this shit up. But hey, we all know that's just, that doesn't seem to be in the cards for me, that type of shit. So I don't know. Not really sure. Those are starting to drop. Oh, I got it. Hold on. Let me get back to the Lucid account. This is where I got to pay attention. Half-baked trades, what up? Clinvale, what's good? I am actually green everywhere. Thanks for asking. Yeah, the G7 meeting. Yeah, I know what you mean, trading stock. It's crazy. That's what all it takes. Isaac, what up? Just ain't right. Mwah. Meow Master. NQ is cucking around. Gold was moving before. Gold popped and then it pulled back. And like it kind of bounced around the 707 from with this low and this high. And then it's just been kind of going sideways ever since. I do fuck with gold, but I haven't been. I don't know why. I just been like fucking sucked into NQ all the time because NQ is the one that's moving like crazy. I miss trading gold. Trader J, what's good? Investor Z. Yeah. Bullhead Mike, what up? Well, like even that bounce, I mean, yeah, you had this right here. I don't know. I don't know. TJP, I'm really not sure. To be honest with you, I mean, this shit could go lower. I don't know. Got to maybe look at a larger time frame. Like if we're looking at gold right now, you know what? It kind of stalled depending on where you have your last high. Because I'm looking at that's a 12-hour. I meant to look at the 4-hour. Depending on where you have your last high, gold kind of stalled, in a 707 area from the last high, this last range it was in, and this last low. It kind of like hit its head on it, and now it's pulled back. So I don't really know. Maximus, what up? Ron, Borangua. You pass your take profit trading, but I need to trade one more day. If I trade, yeah, that will still count. You can literally flip in and out of a micro and it'll count. They will accept that. I don't know. Like, this is fucking. Let's go back to the NQ. Look, nothing's happened. Absolutely nothing has happened. Nayo, what's up? Nothing's happened. I don't know. This is frustrating because you know, nothing's happening. Nothing is literally not fucking moving at all. Coach Fred. Oh, Trader J. NQU. I don't know what ES is. Trader J, I'm not really sure about ES. NQU is the new NQ. I wonder if ES is the same. Let's see. Probably. It's probably you also. It's probably you also. Fallacy. What's up? Thank you, JP. Thank you. Bro, this is fucking awful. Don't need that. Don't need that. Thanks, Benjamin. The 98th piece deal. Yeah. This shit is crazy. Jack Boom. Yeah. What deal? What are you talking about? No deal here. We didn't make a fucking deal. I'll be right back. I gotta fucking pee. I gotta pee, and then we'll get more coffee. Sorry, chat. All right, let's go get this coffee. Nothing's happening on the. I mean, what is it? Nothing's happened. Nothing's happened since I got on. It's literally moved around 10 points. Same thing with gold. It has not even 10 points. I don't know. There really wasn't. I don't know. I'm not the type of guy to just go in long and just watch the shit just keep going up or short. You know, I just don't trade like that. And I wasn't really paying attention last night to the market. So it's just a little tough to do something like that. Let's see. Any new shit on financial juice? Not really, just some crude shit. All this, crude oil inventory type shit. Netanyahu on Lebanon. We will remain in the buffer zone as long as we need to. Of course they will. Of course. That's hot. All right. Look, I just hope someone didn't I just hope nobody just was like, all right, it's going to drop now. It's going to dump now. Let me fucking get in short. Because it could, but I don't know. It might not. It might just keep going sideways. Look, see, I mean, god damn. Last week, Power Hour was pretty fucking crazy. Every day. Power Hour was actually good last week. Oh, there's fucking flies in here now. Please tell me there's flies out in here. Hold on a sec. Sorry, chat. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. This is fucking garbage. I'm not trading this shit. I'm not gonna fucking. What is this range? 15 points, 18 points. You go by this wick, 18. All right, that's a decent range. 18, 36 points or whatever. 30, 40 points. Iran is CNN. JC. Jose Carlos. Leo. Carbonite. Faisal. One sec. Yeah, this, I don't know, man. This is frustrating. It's hard to trade this shit. Hey, Dimitri, what up? Miss Goody, Christind. Do I think we see all-time high today? I don't know. I mean, we're right there. I mean, I'm pretty sure we did hit an all. Let's see. We are at a new all-time high because the previous all-time high was at low eights. We're in the nines, but we had the adjustment, the price adjusted because of the new contract. So it's saying that this was the all-time high. We never hit 31,000 or almost 31,000. So it's a little tricky. Eric J, what up? Yeah, Carbonite, I got them. I'm just not trading them. I'm not touching them right now. I'm not touching them in this fucking shit price action. You know what I mean? Definitely not fucking with this shit now. Canute, who's rejecting all the orders in the live account? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure why. Tradeovate, Ninja Trader. Let's see if I can place an order. Shit. That's a great point. Let's see if I can place an order. Do I not have I don't have this in a group. Oh, great. Group. Let's see if I can place an order. There's my order. Digital news. The U.S. Air Force B-52 Stratofortress just crashed. What the fuck? Oh, not in the live? I don't know. Canute, I'm not really sure. Crashed at the takeoff. That's fucked. Yeah, Bullhead Mike. Probably. Yeah, Dimitri, it's pretty fucking bad. I was able to take advantage of it a little, earlier, but in this right around here. Oh, in here. I was getting little fucking peanuts here and there, but I got $564 in my Fund the Futures funded builder account. And I got a successful flip day in on the trade day. That's day 5. That's officially passed. Didn't touch my 5 Take Profit Trader Pros. I'm not touching them in this shit. I don't know. Don't like the way this shit's moving or not moving. Didn't trade my Lucid yet. Didn't trade my other Rapid Eval. So just chilling, waiting. Stephen Cox, thank you. Crash on the same day as the Russian bomber. That's interesting. You'll take the break even after being down? Yeah. So there you go. You worked yourself back up to break even, and now you're good. Look at this shit. Yeah, let's draw a happy little fucking tan line. There. No, that's really it. I mean, that's it. I could go, deeper. Oh, what the fuck is that? I mean, that's it. Larger. This is basically from the open. From the open yesterday, and then this is from that fucking pop. I guess an hour before New York opened. All right, let's zoom in and see what the fuck. I mean, this shit could push high. I don't fucking know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm better off sitting on my fucking hands with this shit. PJ. Steve, what up? Trump tried, yeah, eight times signing the deal. Of course. Pika Nasharika, what up? I don't know where Peter is. He pops in here and there. Let's see. SpaceX. Don't worry, people will be taking profit soon. Was it? Maximus, yeah. Gian Rich, what up? Yeah. What about gold? I don't know. I don't know. It came back after that little bounce off off the 707 area. I mean, is this the appropriate low? I don't know. It could be. Bacon, what up? There it goes. Fuck. All right, well, here's the 786. All right, here, I'll put an order. I'll put an order there. We come down there. I'm fucking putting an order there. And I'm going to put an order right around here in case it wicks below it. There we go. We got an order in. We got an order in. NQ just fucking dropped. Wow, that was 50 points. Was it really? But look, it's still, I don't know. It's still in this fucking range. Ill. Fucking ill. Just gross. Is this gold coming anywhere near my order? Oh, shit. Kind of just missed it. Of course. Why would it come down? Why wouldn't it come down? Why would it come down to my order? 382. 12 ticks. Was that 12 ticks? 12 fucking ticks. 12 ticks I missed getting filled by. Of course. Tony Gold. Of course I miss getting, I mean, maybe it comes lower, but man. And it went up 20, it's only up 23 ticks, but I would take it. Gross. Fucking gross. 836 to, yeah, I mean, I'm asking for a lot for it to come down in this area anyway. It's just been ranging this whole fucking time. Look, it went to the bottom of the range and bounced. Awful. GMAT, what up? Pretty good. I mean, I didn't blow any accounts today. I got this one account up $564. And I got a flip day on a trade day eval. Look at that fucking bounce. Look at that. 37 points. That would have been enough to fucking pass those lucids if I went in with what? With just 2 minis. You catch those 10 points. Bobby Digital, what up? 10 points. Jesus fucking Christ. Man, look at that. Now it went up 40. It went up 40 ticks and I didn't get filled. Gross. What's up, Steve? 2 billion to the buy side. There's your 55-minute. I mean, even this. I mean, the 50-minute candle was decent. 68. 37 points on the 50-minute candle. That's not terrible. Is it finally going to fall below this fucking range? Oh. Is it? Oh, there it is. Does it keep going? I don't know. Just a little fucking cuck action. Oh, 2 billion to the sell, not buy. I'm just reporting back from what I see in the chat. You guys could duke it out. I don't really care either way. I don't give a fuck which way they bought. To be honest. I just got these orders in and I would like for them to get filled. Holy Earth. MOC imbalance. 3 million, 3,000 million, 3 bajillion, 3 billion to the sell side. Look, negative. NAS, NQ, that's the S&P, that's ES. NQ, 2 billion. Dow, 1 billion. Mag 7, 1.3 billion. According to Financial Juice. Oh, we said it was updated. Maybe it was different. Well, whatever. We saw what happened. That was a decent drop, though. 76, 60 points. Gold's fucking popping, probably. Yeah, fuck me, man. I'm not going to get to fucking, I don't know. I almost got filled. That would have been cool. Yo. Basically just undid that whole fucking move. Yo. What the fuck? Where's gold going? Yeah, see? Amazing. You think it's going to push for a new high? Now? Wow, what a fucking move. 76 points. I could have fucking went in with 1 mini at the bottom, of course, on a perfect trade. Fuck it. I'm bored. Can't wait for this to backfire on me. Imagine it does this whole move and goes down lower. That'd be amazing. I would welcome that. I doubt it's going to happen, though. Because I got bored and got tired of fucking watching this shit, I'm basically about to get punished. I don't know. We'll see. Probably, though. Let's be fucking real. Yep. Raphael, what up? PJ. I hit my screen. Imagine it comes this fucking far down. I doubt it. I doubt it. That would be amazing. Needs to get past this fucking shit. All of this. See, yeah, see, it doesn't want to go lower. I don't know. It might, but I just don't want to lock in gains here. Yeah, I mean, this is like the battle. Look, it fucking came all the way back. What did I have? I didn't have much. I had 10 points. I had 10 points. And now it's going to fucking push higher or something. Look at that shit. Let's see. Shares jumped 20%, adding 412 billion in market value. Yeah, and then when it drops 20%, it'll take away the same 400 billion. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I don't know if it has enough in the tank to go lower than this. $830. We'll see. Hold on a sec. I got to make sure my dogs don't get let out. Hold on. Sorry, I had to pee again. Oh, I'm still in this trade. My dogs keep barking at the fucking landscapers. Oh my God, these fucking dogs won't shut the fuck up. These are Flex's tech reviews. I just think the Flex is one of the best plans in the industry. Look, it came all the way back. How many points did I have at the peak? 17 points? 17 and a half? I just don't know if it has enough to go down all that much. We'll see. We need Trump to come out and say some dumb shit like right fucking now. Commander of the Quds Force of the IRGC, Bob al-Mandeb, is one of the Trump cards of the Resistance Front. And if necessary, other cards will also be played. Whatever that means. Whatever that means. All right, Dimitri, thanks. What up, Jake? Canute, oh, you had NQ banned. Hey, there you go. The shit was working. Dice are out. What up? Okay. I know I had to wait for mine, but it was because of the 30-day rule. Oh, there we go. Oh, shit, it's going back down. There we go. Come on, baby. I should have added. Of course. I'm just trying to falling into that same trap where I will add and then it fucking keeps going against me. So we'll just ride this shit out and see how far it'll go. Trump versus Connor. Netanyahu dump this. Say something stupid. Maybe it'll drop after options expire for the day. We'll see. Fuck me. So I had 23 points at the height, at the peak of this trade. That's $460. Now I don't. Investor Z, cancel the 4th of July. Oh. Oh, right. Does that mean the market's closed? So when are they doing expirations on Thursday? Wow, fucking cocksucker couldn't just go down more for me. I guess you could say this was flagging. I mean, it does kind of look like it was flagging. And I guess it broke the flag. I mean, fuck. I guess this trade is fucked now, huh? I'm putting watch this. I'm gonna put my fucking. I almost put my stop at break even right there. I was just about to do it. It would have hit it. I had 400. What I have? $450 or something. I mean, it did break that fucking flag. We'll see. Maybe it falls back in and fucking dumps, but it might retest it here or something and then bounce again. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, look, it bounced right off of it. We need to see what happens after the 15th minute, which is 10 seconds from now. Yeah, break even sounds great. Fucking, it couldn't just fucking drop for me. I mean, damn. It was a good trade before down here until it wasn't. I'm glad. This is another reason why I'm glad I didn't add, because if I added here, I would have made my average fill a little lower, and then this is happening right now. Yeah, I'm still green. It's fucking dogs keep barking at these landscapers. It's the same guys. They come every week. Okay. Can we fall back into this shit? That'd be amazing. I don't know if we will. Next candle, just grinding down this fucking trend line. The top of this flag. Come on, fall into it and just flush. Oh, come on, keep going. That might be it. I don't know. Imagine it clears this. It needs to clear this. Nope. Maybe it will. Almost. Fuck me. Oh, look. That was kind of an aggressive bounce, even though it's like only 7 points. Yeah, I don't know. 10-point bounce there. I'm not fucking losing money on this trade. But I'm sure it's gonna come right up to that shit. JK. It is so fucking annoying. It's really fucking annoying. I don't know. What did gold do? Oh wow. Gold ended up hitting my canceled orders. Let's see. Canceled 43, 33.8, 338, 370. Yeah, it went down to 370 and now it went down to 361, now it's at 397. So I'd be up about the same amount of money. But gold did end up dropping to my fucking order. Look, it bounced right off. Look at this shit. It literally bounced right off the fucking 786 that I drew out. Yeah, it wicked a little bit below it, but I mean, look at that shit. Chase, thank you. I'm trying. But like, can it not? Oh my! Look, it fucking did. It's fucking piece of shit. It couldn't just go lower. It rode down this fucking trend line, the top of the fucking flag, and then bounced off of it. It wicked into it for a split second, and then boom, here we are again. So I'm gonna get stopped out for like a baby game. What, 100, a point and a half is what I'm gonna end up with. Oh shit, that's right. Fuck. Good looks, Jose Carlos. I forgot. I did that wrong. Good thing. I would have added there. You know what? I'm glad you fucking noticed that because I would have added there and then it would have kept going and I would have been fucking pissed. Good looks. Maybe it'll fucking drop lower anyway. Let's see. I thought for sure I was going to get shaken out. Oh! Oh, yeah. Oh, it almost got lower. Imagine this fucking comes all the way down here. I doubt it. I don't know. I don't see that happening, but you never know. I basically had 23 minutes for it to happen. 22 minutes. Watch it bounce off of this fucking line too, down here, off the line down here. Man, if I was full port, I'd have it. If I was full ported by now, I would have had it. But what are you going to do? If I would have full ported, I wouldn't have had it. It would have blown. Savvy, what's up? Yeah, I could see 841. I can see 830, 838, 844. I can see it like not getting lower than this spot, but we did go lower. It's just like grinding down this fucking trend line, which is the top of the flag. But now, I mean, we're basically, I mean, I guess you could say it's still flagging. I'm curious where this gold is at. Oh, gold. Look, gold ended up dropping lower. Look at that. So I would have gotten filled on the other one, about to get filled. There we go. I would have gotten filled in the other one, which was 338, and I'd be in two from 370 and 338. But hey, we're hanging tough in this trade right now. Uh-oh. Well, there's a 618 and it's bouncing. You fucking cocksucker, bro. So at that point, I had $600. Does it want to go lower? Shit's kind of boring, though. It's not a great trade yet. It's not a great trade until I lock in gains. Right now, it could come all the way back. Now I'm just being greedy? I don't know. Am I? I'm just holding the trade. I got my stop right before break even, so I can't lose money. I just might end up with any money. Tech review. If I could run them up, I would. But I've only been able to do that once, and then I fucked myself on the last day. I'm just trying to grow the accounts. I had an account. I had an account at what? I literally was up $719 last week on an account on day 4. No, I was on day 3, I think, and all I had to do was stop trading. And then I tried to get more, and I ended up blowing the account. I was overall up $2,000. Fucking stupid. Mark, man, I don't have my Apex Live yet. I haven't even looked at my email for it. For anything from them. To be honest with you. Let's see. Is this gonna fucking bounce here? I mean, it makes sense. Look, I extended the line. Look where it bounced. Well, actually, that's not the right line. I don't know. That might not even be the right spot. I don't know. Yeah, I haven't seen anything. I haven't seen anything regarding live. They're working on it, guys. Okay, they're working on it. Carlos, what up? Just got out of the dentist. Ugh. 6.0. I mean, I got 15 minutes. We'll see what happens. Oh, look at that fucking bounce. That's not what I needed. That's not what I needed. I mean, Carlos, you've been getting hella payouts from them lately. I'm already 500. I'm not getting 500. If I were to get, if I, let's see, I'll move it down to, so I end up with 200. I'm at 450 right now. Oh, now I'm back to 500. Hector, what's up? No, they're not funded. They're evals. Yeah, I mean, Carlos, I mean, you're fucking, you might be, a payout away from fucking being transferred live. My landscaper's texting me, asking me if I'm home. Fuck. Hold on a sec. Hold on. He's sent me an audio message. This guy fucking wants me to open the garage and shit. Why does this guy want to talk to me right now? He's at the house. Let me just see. He's fucking here. Well, whatever. Here's my trade. We're in the trade. I have $200 locked in. Whoop-de-fucking-do. Hopefully it goes lower. Yeah, my landscaper, here's the issue. He's telling me that everything looks like it's dying. Knock, knock. But he has the shit running. Hold on. But what's happening is I never had this issue in Henderson, but now that I live in Las Vegas, I'm getting fucking charged for fucking excessive water consumption. So like I'm getting charged $150 to $200 extra every fucking month because this guy has my sprinklers set to run all goddamn fucking night. So I'm like, bro, I'm getting fucking killed over here. Because there's a lot of fucking plants and grass on my property, on my house. When I lived in Henderson, I didn't run into those issues. Here, though, it's an issue. So I'm like, bro, I lowered it because I was getting fucking killed. I'm like literally fucking trying to do something. I got. Why these motherfuckers why are they fucking bothering me now? I'm trying to fucking do something. Fuck, man. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Finally. I got to go out there and deal with this fucking guy, though. Fuck. All right, I'm going to lock in a little more now. Whoops. I'm going to lock in a little more. I'm going to leave it like right around here. So here I lock in $400 something, a little over 400. Hopefully it keeps going down, but I got to go deal with this guy. So maybe you guys will be here when I get back up. If not, I'll see if you got to bounce, but I'll leave the trade open. I'll come back up in a minute. I got to talk to this guy because he won't leave me the fuck alone. But if you're not here, thank you so much. Oh, I ran out of time. You guys still here? You guys still here? How dare you call it gambling? Oh, what up, oh? Get back on the horse. My take profit was down here. My take profit, I ran out of time. My take profit was, it was down here somewhere. Where was it? Let's see. Canceled. 855. No. 802. My take profit was down here. I was trying to get 75 points with one mini. But I did get how many points? 44 points before I ran out of time. It's pretty good. $871. I'll take it. Hey, I didn't blow the account on the next day. What's been happening with the Lucid evals is I'll get 1,500 easy, and then the next 1,500 I try to get, it fucking blows. So I was able to get 871. Now I'm only fucking 600, a little over $600 away, depending on the account. I'll take it. 830 wasn't a bad call. Yeah. It went down to 828. So I'll take it. Blue 2, I trade. What up? What up? How dare you call it gambling? Blackout News Network. Hey, you're almost there. Bowser, what up, man? Nice and green. I'm fucking green everywhere. I'm green everywhere. I traded. I'm green here. I'm green in this My Fund the Futures Bob the Builder account that I hit the daily loss limit on fucking Friday. And whatchamacallit? And then I got, I got my 5th day in on the trade days. I didn't touch this other trade day account, but there's only a minute left. Same thing with Take Profit Trader. I did activate my pro Take Profit Trader accounts, but I did not trade them. I left them alone. Let me get NQU on here. It's going to go. Imagine it goes fucking lower. It's good. Imagine it hits my take profit. I mean, I ran out of time. The cutoff for Lucid is 445. 802 was my take profit. 802. $802.25. But whatever. I mean, that's a great trade. I fucking didn't let myself get shaken out. I held it all the way. How long did I hold this trade for? I got in. I held that trade. For 45 minutes. Let's just keep fucking dimming on me. I held the trade for 45 minutes. That's why. 45-minute trade. That's a good fucking trade. No limit. What up? Sebastian, what's good? I'm sure if I fucking blew the account, we would have had the usual fucking peanut gallery fucking in here fucking saying, oh, you're an affiliate. You could get more accounts. You're an influencer. How about you shut the fuck up? Ehab, what up? Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Leo. I appreciate it. Were you out there? You call it gambling? No, you weren't. Coach HID, what up? Roberto, Ms. Goody. Yeah, I don't see them. They were probably just watching. They were waiting for me to do something stupid or go on tilt to start running their fucking mouth. Right? But it's okay. You could fucking vamp in my Discord and fucking talk all fucking day and night. You know? And then cry that I'm an affiliate. And yeah, I do earn some money if someone uses the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. And yeah, it does pay for some fucking accounts. But where the fuck were you? Did you show up every fucking day for the last 2+ years on a stream every fucking day? Did you fucking make content every fucking day for almost 3 years? Did you fucking build a community? Bust your ass to build a community? No, so shut the fuck up. I fucking earn everything I get. I started my channel. Hold on. I started my channel in 2023, December of 2023. So 2.5 years ago. And then I started streaming in April of 2024. I started streaming in April 2024. The best fucking community, that's right. Yeah. It's just crazy how people have shit to say. Good. Say what you got to say. But don't just discount the fact that I've been busting my ass for fucking almost 3 years on this channel, growing an audience, growing a community, providing fucking value in various ways. Not by being the best trader, but just by fucking being myself and showing everybody all of it, the good and the bad. Yeah, Fred, exactly, bro. I knew how to trade. I just didn't know how to use like Tradeovate and shit. You know what I mean? It's a trap. But some fucking jerk off on Friday was fucking running his mouth, taking fucking digs at me while I was tilting because I'm a fucking influencer and an affiliate. And then I was like, I don't rub it in everybody's face. Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, I mean, whatever. He's not a terrible person. That shit just pisses me the fuck off. Then it's like, why are you getting mad? I was like, why do you even fucking care? No one's stopping anybody from doing the same thing. No one's putting a gun to anyone's head to use ZERODAYJAY, the best fucking code, at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bullinox, Lucid, and fucking My Funded Futures. But whatever. Can't make everyone happy. Can't please everyone. But I just don't like that type of shit. Shit bothers me. No limit, nobody. Or just watch Friday's stream. The biggest, the realest. Yeah, so now everything's cut off now. I mean, I wasn't about to try to take Profit Trader at this time. But I mean, shit, it went, I got taken out. It went, I got taken out at 33. It went down to 26 after the cutoff anyway. It didn't even matter. I'll take it. Yeah, don't hate. Yeah. Why hate on me? Everyone can play the game. But whatever. Never say shit when I'm fucking doing well. It's always the same type of person too. Never say anything when I'm killing it. But if I'm fucking tilting and fucking blowing accounts left and right and having a rough time, then they always have something to say. Thank you, Chase. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. It's a trap. You got approved for 16K? Great fucking job, bro. That's awesome. Watch it. You think it's going to flush now? I mean, I can't trade. None of the accounts I have, I could trade. So everything, the cutoff on Take Profit Trader is at the 55-minute mark. The cutoff on Trade Days at the 50-minute mark. The cutoff on Lucid is at the 45-minute mark, and the cutoff on Bull and My Fund the Futures is at the 10-minute mark. The 10-minute mark. But we did good. I'm green everywhere I fucking traded. I'm gonna take a screenshot of those. You'd be like, I made whatever 4,500. I made $5,010 trading in my prop firm accounts today, guys. Cranny P, what up? Lucid Flex all day. Kenny, I appreciate you, man. And everybody else that comes and hangs out, for real. What hours do I trade from normally? Power hours, I'm always on for power hour every single day from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern, Richie. Okay? And then I've been kind of slacking, but I'll stream during the overnight, or I was randomly streaming during the overnight 2 or 3 days a week, and then my fucking schedule got all fucked up. And I don't know. I'm going to try to stream at least one more time a day, at least 2 or 3 days a week. I just don't know when it's going to be, but I'm always on for power hour, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And then if you want to hang out in an awesome community, the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free for now. Today was just a day that like a lot of people weren't around, probably because the market just kept going up, and they either made their money or they didn't want to fuck around with it. But here's the link. That Discord, that's where the best fucking community is. Why Flex over Pro? Because it's probably the easiest account to get paid on. Flex over Pro. So basically, watch this. So you could pass in 2 days. I think Pro you could pass in 1 day, but on the Flex you just need 5 days of, like on a 50K, you need 5 days of $150 or more. But you need, really the minimum you need to get to is 1,000. You need a minimum balance of $1,000 and at least 5 days of X amount of dollars or more, depending on the size of the account, and then you get paid. If you meet those qualifications, you get a payout. The Flexes are like some of the easiest accounts you'll ever get a payout on. There's no consistency rule on Flex, so you could run that shit the fuck up on 1 day. You could take a max payout, on a 50K, it's 2,000. So you could run this shit up $4,000 on a day like today. You could have just went long earlier and just rode that shit up, got $4,000, and then the next 4 days get $150 or more. They're basically just like Top Step XFAs. They're great accounts. You started with Apex and you're new. Is it still a good recommendation? I wouldn't keep all your eggs in one prop firm's basket. Apex is a good place to start, but there are other. I trade with Apex, Take Profit Trader. Really, what you want to trade is anywhere that you could trade, especially as a new trader, anywhere where you could trade where the funded account is end of day trailing. But as a new trader, I see why the attraction to Apex is you could get accounts for cheap on the front end. So you could fucking get, you could learn how to trade on the cheap. The activation fees, bump your average cost up. But if you're having trouble just passing an eval, which is probably how it's going to be in the beginning, Apex is probably one of the better ways to go because the accounts are cheap. And then once you get a little better, you trade with like Lucid, Take Profit Trader, My Fund the Futures. They have, those are good, but it just depends on where you're at in your journey. Bull and Us is another one, but their activation fees are a fuck ton. You know what I mean? 360, what up? No consistency on the Flex, that's right. On the Flex funded. There's a 50% consistency on the Flex eval. You need to trade at least 2 days. That's why I go for 1,500 and I try to get the other 1,500. It's loose. It's not super strict like Take Profit Traders, 50% consistency, but it's there. Also, if you're new to Lucid, you could get 50% off as many as 2 accounts with the best code ZERODAYJay. I think after that it goes to 40 or 30. And then, yeah, that's that. Cut. No problem, man. Anyway, guys, I got to bounce. I got to go close my garage door. I don't know what these guys are doing. They were fucking with my sprinklers. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. Thanks for sticking around when I disappeared for a little bit. Kept an eye on my trade for me. I appreciate it. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Smash the like button, subscribe, all that good shit. Use the best fucking code. And I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.